Yeah, it's came. Came. It's come. We're doing it now. We're doing a magazine reload for my airsoft AR. So I already practiced everything. So we're starting a really quick video, guys. We have a bonus reload at the end, and I may get it easy before I get the automatic pistol. Let's go. First one, easiest to hardest, guys. I love this series so much. I actually have a lot of fun doing it. By the way, this is like the 5th video I've taken because I messed up every time. Yeah, embarrassing, isn't it? Let's go. Next one. I have to start these all out with the mag out first because I don't want to. It's actually hard for it not to have the mag out because I can't like take it out and then do it. Anyways, let's go. Take 2. All right, let's try this again. I messed up. Y'all saw like that. Like, it went on a shirt and I had to grab it. Hardest one. Here we go. I gotta switch hands. Then I have to be in my left. Mag has to be in my right. Let's go. It's hard, but y'all may not be able to see, so I'm gonna aim the camera down because it's more about the bottom. So, yeah. This is a way better camera view, guys. I love this one. This camera view. Way more. Love this one. Alright, so I'm going to do this to start off. Y'all see why. There is the gun review. Oh, not gun review, but gun tactile reload. This is the last one, guys. Here we go. Alright. That sucked. Anyways, let's do that again. Wow. Alright, I haven't practiced this one at all. So there's that. Yeah, it's kind of bad one, wasn't it? Kind of surprised because I had no other guns. Anyways, that was it, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. Next time, I'm going to be doing a gun reload with a different gun. That's going to be a surprise. But it's going to be a way bigger gun. So, see ya.